Are you tired of messy HTML code or struggling to catch errors that break your web pages? Don't worry, we've got you covered. This program combines real-time editing, automatic formatting, and error detection, all in one user-friendly interface. Whether you're a beginner writing a first HTML page or a professional, this tool will save you time and effort. With just a few clicks, create new files, upload existing ones, format your code beautifully, and download instantly. The built-in error checker helps identify and resolve issues on the spot. Plus, the live output feature gives you a real-time preview of your HTML code, showing exactly how your web page looks. Are you ready to streamline your HTML coding experience? Let's get started.
Hey there everyone. In this video, we'll dive into the output of an amazing tool, the HTML code editor with error checking built using Python and Streamlit. Whether you're a beginner learning HTML or a developer perfecting your skills, this tool is designed to make coding a breeze. So let's see what it can do. Here's how the app works. On the main interface, you'll find three powerful features: a live code editor, an error checking system, and a live preview of your HTML output. Let me break it down for you. First up, we have the code editor. This is where you can write or modify your HTML code. If you're starting fresh, don't worry. The app provides an example HTML file to get you started. And if you want to load an existing file, just upload it from your device using the sidebar. Want to start over? Use the New File button to reset the editor. Ready to save your masterpiece? Just click Download HTML to save your file with a custom name. Now, here's where things get even better. With the Format HTML button, you can instantly beautify your code, making it neat, organized, and easier to read. And for error checking, click Check for Errors to find issues like unclosed tags or invalid structures. The app will highlight them so you can fix them right away. If there are any problems in your code, you'll see warnings below the editor. For example, if you've missed closing a tag, the app will let you know. But if your code is perfect, it'll say, "No errors found." Pretty cool, right? Finally, here's the most exciting part, the live HTML output. As you write your code, you'll see how it looks in real time right below the editor. This is super handy for testing designs or debugging your layout. The output is displayed in a scrollable frame, so you can interact with it just like a real web page. It's like having a browser inside your code editor. So whether you're writing code from scratch, fixing errors, or just experimenting with HTML, this tool has you covered. It's user-friendly, efficient, and perfect for developers of all levels, and that's a wrap. If you found this tool helpful or have ideas for improvement, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech walkthroughs and coding tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.